It'll probably come right over here.
The boxes are here already.
Yeah, look, Stan. You need the battery for the other one.
For Halloween. More goodies to slide. It's gonna go in the haunted house. All the wood we've gathered so
Kind of
far.
at the beginning, some of the people that are sitting by us, kind of vocal, well, whatever. But then, you know,
The
we're like for me,
haunted house paraphernalia.
when the other team, when Farrington is making good runs, which was a good plays, we were like, hey, all right, good runs. But then after we did that, they were like, oh, these people were actually civilized.
Sportsman.
What is that?
The play-by-play
I don't know
announcer,
if that belongs
it
here.
was hilarious. You guys would have been cracking up. And the ball's on the 3-yard line for the Cougars. John and I are sitting there going, serious. I tell you
Making
what,
the
he was able to,
risers for the haunted house. Overpasses.
he was able to, what you call, say all
Hard
the
at work. It's about 10 something at night.
Put one side first.
And they're
Might go in.
working on the house. Yeah. Ooh. It's starting.
Stan's got a saw. That's right, I got a saw on him. Ain't easy. Fit? Sure.
Beautiful.
What happened? The other battery died?
The drink of champions.
There you go.
Blue Moon, Miller Lite. Nice. Halloween.